Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check serial number for your earbuds SOUNDCORE R50i. And basically we have a few options how to check it. The first one, we can use a box, and at the top the box we have SN, what means serial number, so we can check it here. The second option is to use your charging case, and just at the bottom of the charging case you need to turn over it, and let me show it for you. Right here we also have SN, what again means serial number, so this is a second option. And your third option is to use an application. Open SOUNDCORE application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see it at the device list. Tap on it, and now go to the settings at the right top. And right here in the third line we have serial number, so you can check it here, and you can also copy. Right here we have a copy icon, so you just tap on it, and as you can see I just did it. Now you can paste it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!